8th standard science, living world and classification of microbes, exercise, dot answers. Exercise. Question number 1. Use Whittaker method to classify bacteria, protozoa, fungi, algae, prokaryotic and eukaryotic microbes. Answer. Bacteria, kingdom Monera. Protozoan, kingdom Protista. Fungi, kingdom Fungi. Algae, if unicellular, kingdom Protista. If multicellular, kingdom Plantae. Answer. Prokaryotic, kingdom Monera. Eukaryotic, any kingdom other than Monera. Microbes, kingdom Monera or Protista. Question number 2. Complete the 5 kingdom method of classification using living organism, prokaryotes, eukaryotes, multicellular, unicellular, protista, animal, plants, fungi. Living organisms, prokaryotes, eukaryotes, unicellular, multicellular, Monera, protista, fungi, Plantae, Animalia. Question number 3. Find out my partner. Answers. Candida, amoeba, bacteriophage, cholera, prokaryotic. Question number 4. State whether the following statements are true or false. Explain your statement. A. Lactobacilli are harmful bacteria. False. Because lactobacilli are useful bacteria, they are used for curdling the milk. They are also used for preparing variety of milk products. B. Cell wall of fungi is made up of chitin. True. Because the cell wall of plants is made up of cellulose, while cell wall of fungi is made up of complex sugar called as chitin. Inside the fungal cell walls, there is a cytoplasm which contains many nuclei. C. Organ of locomotion is in amoeba is pseudopodia. True, because amoeba is a protozoan primitive organism which possesses pseudopodia as the organ for locomotion. D. Tomato wilt is a viral disease. True, because tomato wilt is a viral disease. These viruses are able to impact only plant cells. Five. Give answers. A. State the merits of Whittaker's method of classification. Answer. The merits of Whittaker method of classification are: first, unicellular and multicellular organisms are kept under separate categories. Second, autotrophs and heterotrophs are placed in a separate group. Third, a separate kingdom was assigned to fungi because of their mode of nutrition. Fourth, prokaryotics are placed under a separate category of Monera. B. Write the characteristic of viruses. Answer. The various characteristics of viruses are: first, they are smaller and simpler than bacteria. Second, they are ultra microscopic and visible only under an electron microscope. Third, they are considered to be on the boundary line of living and non-living things. Fourth, they are obligate parasites and cannot live on their own. Fifth, viruses are responsible for causing many dreadful diseases in plants, animals, and humans. C. Explain the nutrition in fungi. Answer. First, most of the fungi are saprophytic in their nutrition. Second, they absorb the nutriment from dead and decaying matter. Third, by taking the organic matter from dead bodies of plants and animals, fungi survive. Fourth, in the process, they degrade the organic matter completely. D. Which living organisms are included in the kingdom Monera? Answer. Organism with the following characteristics are included under the kingdom Monera. First, absence of nucleus and membrane bound organelles. Second, presence or absence of cell wall. Third, can be either autotrophic or heterotrophic. Fourth, are all unicellular and include mainly bacteria and blue-green algae. Example included bacteria and blue-green algae. Question number 6. Who am I? Question number 6. Who am I? A. I don't have true nucleus, cell organelles, or plasma membrane. Microbe from Monera. B. I have nucleus and membrane bound cell organelles. Protozoan from Protista. Or I am any one of eukaryote. C. I live on decaying organic matter, fungus. D. I reproduce mainly by cell division, bacteria and some protozoa. E. I can produce my replica, virus. F. I am green but don't have organs, algae. Question number 7. Draw neat and label diagrams. Different type of bacteria. B. Paramecium. C. Bacteriophagy. Question number 8. Arrange the following in ascending order of size: bacteria, fungi, viruses, algae. Answer. Virus, bacteria, fungi, algae. If you think this video was helpful to you, please like the video and subscribe to channel. Thank you.